Hi everyone, Deb here again. I'm here with another little purchase. I watched a video from Sparkle by Monica, so I'll try to remember to link her channel, but otherwise look up Sparkle by Monica on YouTube. She, I think, was sponsored, but here's why I want to try these LED headband magnifier glasses. I have had, and I use it still, this thing, which I bought many years ago, probably like 2012 or 13, and it has served its purpose. But you see, it had battery packs on the side, and the covers kept falling off, and so therefore the batteries wouldn't stay in. So I haven't used the lights in many years. And although I have a screwdriver and I can tighten this little thing always flopped down in front of this, and I don't like that because I don't use that. That's like too much magnifying, and it only had the one magnifying thing. Or if it came with others, no, it might have come with others. Oh look, there's another one here. So it did come with a flip down one here, which I completely forgot about, and it's really dirty, needs to be cleaned. So I mean, it's a pretty good, it served its purpose, right? And that just snaps into there, so it was pretty good. I don't think they sell this particular model anymore. Maybe other people complained about these battery packs. That I didn't like, and the back was adjustable. So this has been working for me, other than this was an annoyance, and those I just finally took the battery covers off because they kept falling off and the batteries kept falling out. So I did like having the light though on occasion, because my lighting up in this room with angled down ceilings and stuff, even though I have a bunch of lights, it's not really that bright up here, except mid-afternoon when the sun is blaring in, and then it's like super hot right now. Anyway, so I thought I want to try these. The price was only like $24.99. I got a 10% discount using Monica's code. There was some shipping, but it wasn't very much really, and I have to say they shipped quickly. So yeah, I had them in like, I don't know, I think it's like 5 days or something. So I was quite pleased. The only thing, when the charge came through from, I paid with PayPal, when the charge came through, it was a weird name I didn't recognize, but I recognized the amount, and I looked it up, and it was this. But it didn't say Art Dot, it had some other name there. So let's see what we get. Instructions. So this comes with magnifying glasses in a little case. So you pick your strength, which is nice too. I usually wear regular glasses for their trifocals for distance and reading, but I rarely use them for reading. I don't feel like I need them yet. Let's see, these are really quite thick. Honestly, without my glasses, okay. This says 3.5 times. This one says, I think 3. No, why won't that go back in? Maybe they have a direction. They do have a direction on which way to put them back in here, I think. It won't go that way. Okay, I didn't have it in all the slots. So this is 3.5. I think this is 3, 2, 1.5, and 1. 1, 1.5, 2, 3, and 3.5 times magnification. So, and there's a cleaning cloth in here, and there are some dots which are for the nose things. So I don't know if I'll need those or not. We'll see. And you get your charger, because this has a rechargeable LED light. Here's the nose thing. Oh, they're like regular eyeglass things. Let me try them on real quick. You're not going to be able to see it. Okay, so this sits up on your forehead. This goes on your nose, and then this, I think, comes down, and that holds your, let's put the 3 in. Okay, it just snaps in. I might have snapped it in backwards. Does it just pull out? You push a button or anything? You just pull it out. Okay, I snapped it in backwards, and now I have fingerprints, of course, all over them. So I can just clean them with the cloth. And so this is your nose piece, but these hang down in front of you. Let me try them on. Because I was a little worried that I kind of wish these were a little wider, because I'm seeing like the peripheral side and then the glass. But if you know you're doing just a spot area, that's a little too much magnification for me. Let me try a lesser one. Yeah, let me try just like 1.5. Oh, they're much thinner too. Okay. Yeah, see, that'll be good for doing my jewelry stuff. This, I guess, hooks on to go around the back of your head if you want it more secure. I don't know that I'll need that, and I don't know where that hooks in exactly. Oh, what does this come up for? This is your light. Okay, so you can aim your light different places. This is, I guess, where you would charge it. I am not 100% sure, guys. What's this? This is for your forehead. Trying to see where, oh, it looks like here. Let me take these off. Sorry, I'm all over the place, but this is my first time seeing these. So this bends down. This looks like where you put this into charge. Okay, you have to move that back, and then this will go in here, and then this can go in any USB port. You can't do that obviously while you're wearing them, so you charge it before you use them, and if you're going to need light, and then flip this down. So this can move up and down to suit where you want your light to aim and your glasses. And here's your on and off button. They're not charged right now apparently because it's not turning on. Yeah, so I'll have to do that. I'm a little baffled on how these would connect as a strap. Maybe you have to take these out. No, these are hinged. I am not sure about these. I will have to see if I can read the instructions. Let me check and I'll be right back. Well, everyone, I might have to contact them because it says the product is equipped with interchangeable headband. But I don't see. Okay, it says it can replace the bracket with headband when it needs to be worn for a long time, which can better fix the magnifying glass in front of your eyes and effectively prevent it from falling off. It says figure 11. Alright, so figure 11 says press the point to take down glasses stand to replace headband. That is this, but I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, and I'm afraid I'm going to break it. So I think what you're supposed to do is press this down and pull this part of the ear thing off, because this part here is hinged. So I don't think it's that. And see, the headband has a thing shaped just like that. So I think this clicks in there somehow. And these are marked left and right, so we know which side. So this would be the right one, and this would be the left for me. So that's how you do it. I just haven't been able to do it. And then maybe you need to press it down with like a tool or something. I don't know, and I'm afraid I'll break it. I might seek some help on that. I probably will not use this much. It looks like it would be comfortable. And I could see that if you're doing magnifying for a long period of time, that those lenses, especially if you're doing like 3.5 magnification, that will get quite heavy after a while. So what they're saying is use the headband if you're going to be doing this for a long period of time, and it is adjustable. And that is where you have to do it at is right here. But I think I'm going to need to use like a stronger tool. Or, oh, nope, there we go. See, okay, that pulls out. So that is the right side. I got it. Sorry, guys. And then it goes in like this. And that just snaps in. So then you push this down. That is a little bit hard. A little bit hard. And then this just snaps back in. My nails are a mess already, and that will break my nails for sure. I need to use like a flat plier, or you know, maybe dipped in Tool Magic or something, so I don't scratch this up. But yeah, it is doable. Maybe because they're new also, and you want it to be tight because you clearly don't want it falling off your head. So basically you're going to push this down and pull. All right, it's not too bad. It's just a little hard on my nails. So it's doable. All right, I don't need to call them or anything. So anyway, yeah, I'm looking forward to trying them, and I think they'll be good. So my only thing is that was hard to see and figure out a little bit. But, and these, I kind of wish they were a little wider. These were made apparently for, you know, the, what is those dot painting things? I forget what they're called. Art dot paintings? I don't know. I don't do those, but I do a lot of jewelry work. And like I said, I've had this other one and it's been good. But see, is this lens wider? Actually, the lens is about the same. I don't know why it seemed wider to me. Maybe because I had all this on my head before, you know. So comparison, I don't even know the brand on this other one. So, and that's okay. I don't think they make it anymore. Alright guys, that's all I have. I just wanted to share that I did purchase this because I thought it was a reasonable price. And I'm going to be using it when I need magnification in my jewelry making. And, you know, metal glare is a real issue. If you're dealing with glary lights and silver and gold, metal, the glare can get to you. And using these magnifiers helps me anyway with that problem. So I definitely am looking forward to trying these out and seeing how I like them in use, and I'll let you know. All right, thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying them too, go check out Sparkle by Monica's channel, because like I said, I am not sponsored, but she is, and she's got a coupon code. So yeah, go check her out. Thanks for watching. Bye.